So today I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me because I need more content for you guys because I'm super busy nowadays. Like I don't have time to record anything. So today I'm free and I'm going to the chiropractor. I'm gonna get adjusted and it's gonna be lit. I love going to the chiropractor. But right now I'm just gonna do my hair for you guys. And I hope you like it. I don't want to do space buns because I did that last time for you guys to see. So what I'm gonna do is let you guys watch while I do my thing. And out. I always need this because now look at this, guys. My sides are long enough, but they're at that stage where it's too much honey to have out because they look crazy. So right, what I'm doing now is like I always do, cut up my middle and see what I'm gonna do about this mess. Guys, thank you for watching. Well, right now I'm actually brushing down the sides of my hair because that hair is uncontrollable and I need to tame it. So just keep on watching. As you guys can see, I'm gonna use this jam, Shine Jam. It's one of my favorite products to use because it's an oil-based jam and it holds, but it also conditions your hair, which doesn't make it all hard like gel does. I don't really like that hardness. Once I finish brushing it down, I put my little bandana do-rag thing to hold and place my hair down because that's what's gonna help it stay down. Like, yeah, I can gel it down, but it won't stay down unless I set it into place. And as you can see right here, I am brushing my hair so I can get ready to part it and do my style. So now that I have my hair parted, well, into two, I'm gonna part the little section right here. As you can see, it's way smaller than the other half of my hair. And I'm just gonna find the scrunchie and tie the rest of my hair away so I can isolate this part and smooth it out as best as possible so it can be placed nicely. I'll put some product on it and I'm gonna brush it and then just tie it with a rubber band. Once I'm done with that side, I'm gonna part a line on the opposite side in the same section so it can be two little ponytails. And again, I'm gonna put some product on to smooth my hair and to make it nice and smooth and tight so it'll match the other ponytail. Once I'm done with the front two ponytails, I'm gonna take a purple scrunchie because I want it to match. And I'm going to make sure that I smooth my hair by applying product and brushing it well. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take my front right ponytail and cross it to my left back ponytail. Then I'm gonna do the same thing to the opposite side.
boom, and boom. Yes. Little buns. They're not the same, but they're still cute. There you go. That's cuter. Yeah, you guys like that.
So my sides are not as smooth as I want them to be, so I'm just gonna apply more product and I'm gonna use my brush to really smooth it down.
Straighten them out. I really can't do anything about the edges. Oh, so cute. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you stay warm and this fall. Wow, I really like this. Like, this is super cute. I like it a lot. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day and love you guys.